Designing a product is only part of the making process. The machinist will ask, can the product design be manufactured? CNC machinists work with computer numeric controlled heavy machinery from setup to operation to manufacture products. These precision machines cut, grind, or drill into plastics, metals, and other materials. It's the CNC machinist's job to make adjustments to the CNC equipment to control speed, material feed, and path of the cut, as well as make sure the equipment is set up properly, working well, and producing quality, defect-free products. Understanding both CAD and CAM is essential for designers and engineers at this stage of the making process. Even if you're not the machinist who programs a machine, it is invaluable to know how it's done. Design for manufacture translates directly to part design by helping make intelligent design decisions with manufacturing in mind. This course introduces you to the integrated CAD/CAM and design for manufacture approach behind Fusion 360. We also explore 3D printing, design setup, assembly, and test flight of the drone. After completing this course, you'll be able to explain the Fusion 360 integrated CAD/CAM design for manufacturing workflow, summarize the trends that are influencing the future of manufacturing, demonstrate knowledge and skills and foundational concepts of Fusion 360 CAD/CAM software, set up a flight controller, assemble a quadcopter, and fly the final design. There's a lot to do, so let's get started.